Good morning, everybody. Ben here. Today is November 1st, 2019, and it's been very cold for the past few weeks, which brings me to a very important subject that I want to talk to you guys about today: climate change. Now, I'm not talking about the polar ice caps melting in the Antarctic. I'm talking about the climate change that happens in your home every fall and winter season. In this video, I'll be talking about the ideal climate for your home to protect your flooring during these cold and dry months. As I mentioned, it has been unusually cold here in Southern California for the past few weeks, and as the temperature drops, so does the humidity in your home. This can wreak havoc on your floor and cause irreversible damage, which can run you hundreds or thousands of dollars to repair. Each year, typically in the month of January or February, we receive several phone calls from our customers complaining about gaps, cracks, or in more severe cases, delaminations of the plank. Most of the time, this is not a manufacturing defect, which means it will not be covered by the manufacturer warranty. The flooring is just reacting to the climate in your home. During these fall and winter months, most of us will experience dry, itchy skin, chapped lips. Well, your floor is not immune to this, and it will react in a very similar fashion. Most homeowners aren't aware that it is your responsibility to monitor the temperature and humidity in your home to make sure that it stays in normal living conditions. What are normal living conditions? Well, normal living conditions is a humidity that ranges from 30 to 50% and temperature between 60 and 80 degrees. Anything outside of that range and you're asking for problems, and you'll definitely void your manufacturer warranty. So how do you avoid these costly issues? Well, the solution is quite simple and inexpensive. One, you need to invest in a thermometer and a hygrometer. That way you can monitor the temperature and humidity in your home to make sure that it's in the appropriate level. If you don't currently have one, don't worry, you can purchase one for less than $10. There are even devices currently on the market that will send a notification to your wireless device, such as a cell phone or an iPad, when the humidity or temperature falls below or above a set range. If you live in an unusually cold climate, such as the desert or mountains, you should invest into a humidifier. This will allow you to bring the humidity level up above 30% should it fall below that. If you live in a very humid climate, you'll need to do the opposite and invest into a dehumidifier to bring the humidity levels down below 50% to make sure your floor is in the right climate. No matter where you live, you can protect your valuable investment for a very inexpensive price. So next time you feel your skin getting itchy and dry, make sure to check your hygrometer and make sure you're in the appropriate range, 30 to 50%, and make sure the temperature is not below 60 degrees or above 80 degrees. If you found the information in this video helpful, please hit the like button down below. If you want us to cover another topic in our upcoming videos, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm Ben with Corona Hardwood, flooring you can trust.